Stories can be powerful, but without the right visuals, even the best narrative loses credibility and impact. Introducing the Journalist Pack, a professional motion graphics toolkit built for documentaries, journalism, and dynamic storytelling inside Davinci Resolve. With 110+ assets across 15 categories, including intro cards, info cards, counters and KPIs, lower thirds, callouts, and many more. You'll have everything you need to build structured narrative, deliver clean, professional journalism, and create engaging, data-driven stories. Every element is drag and drop ready. Adjust animation, speed, colors, and text directly from the edit page. No keyframes, no complications. Each asset automatically adapts to any resolution, frame rate, or aspect ratio. Whether you're a documentary filmmaker, journalist, or content creator, the Journalist Pack helps your stories feel trustworthy, informative, and engaging for every viewer. Elevate your storytelling today. Get the Journalist Pack for Davinci Resolve with the link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.